Hello guys, it is OneWatch cooking here, and today I'm going to be making some cake mix donuts with vanilla glaze. Before the video starts, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. So right here, you're just going to preheat your oven. Now you just want to get your cake mix and put it into a bowl. Now you're just going to want to put in 3 large eggs, 1 cup of water, and 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Now you're just going to want to mix it all up. Now you're just going to want to coat your pan with Pam, and then put in 1 tablespoon of cake mix into your pan and fill about halfway. Now you're just going to want to pop it into the oven for however long the box is. And now for the glaze. Now you're just going to want to melt all the butter, put in 2 cups of powdered sugar, hot water, vanilla extract, and then pull out your cake mix. Now you just want to pop them off onto a cooling rack. Then you're just going to want to dip them into the glaze. I did making it, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.